Happy holidays, world. It's Mr. Drew at Mark Drew Speaks, and it's the giving season. And I say it with a smile, but I understand it's not always easy to smile this time of year. We start questioning, well, what should I give? And do I have enough to give? You know, and we ponder what we've lost. It's been a rough 2 years or so. You know, we're going through a pandemic, and it's a lot. It really is a lot at the holidays. But I can say to have lost so much and still wake up today means that we still have a lot left, you know, and that means we have a lot left to give. So what can I give? Let's just keep it simple this year. Keep it simple. You can give a smile. You know, a lot of people can use a smile today. And while we're at it, giving a smile is probably the easiest way to receive a smile, because they'll give it right back. So let's talk about the law of reciprocity. You want a friend? Be a friend to someone. To lend some time to someone, giving them the opportunity to bond and experience compassion in yourself as well, as you experience empathy. Ooh, and you're growing yourself. I mean, if we give our all to each other this year, not in just the material things, but in our hearts, think about the transformation that will occur in our homes, in our cafeterias, in our offices. It's an amazing thing. So let's look beyond the gift of Amazon and the click, and think about the gift of the heart and the shift towards a better workplace, a better home, a better world. And that starts with giving your love. Give it a shot. And while you're at it, give yourself a break this holiday season. Quit kicking yourself. Hey, we all make mistakes. We all have our faults. But as long as we're growing, hey, we're moving on. All right, that's my word to you. Hey, stay blessed, stay amazing. Always love someone today. Peace.